Hello, I am Angel Marti-Roman, and I will graduate from Riverside University High School and earn my youth apprenticeship certificate from GPS Ed this June. Over the past year as a student in the GPS Ed program, I have learned how to become a responsible young adult. I have learned how important it is to be early to everything like both school or work. In the past, I used to run late or just make it on time, but now I am at least 15 minutes early. Something I learned in GPS Ed that I would not have learned in traditional high school was the MSSC coursework. It helped me learn to be safe, pay attention to the quality of my work, the importance of the process, and lastly, maintaining the maintenance of a machine. At the end of completing all the MSSC units, I earned my Certified Productive Technician certificate. Another thing that makes me different from a regular high school student is how to write a professional resume and how to always be well prepared to search for another job if need to. One thing I would take from my time in the program and apply to my life is how to be financially smart. I learned how to calculate roughly how much I make in a year and how much I spend out of the amount. Then I used that information to make financial adjustments to my daily expenses so I don't put myself in a situation that causes unnecessary stress. In the next few months, I plan on working at Lakeside Manufacturing, Inc. I will also be studying in a trade school and learning more about the manufacturing business. I would like to thank my parents for being there for me and taking care of me. Next, I would thank both Pierre and Rocio for being supportive and teaching me the ways to be great as a student and apprentice. My last piece of advice for other students is to stay focused and learn to be responsible in your life. I have really appreciated my time at GPS Ed and want to thank them for the opportunity they gave me.